Why does a lemon taste sour, but soap feels slippery and tastes bitter? These everyday sensations are driven by a constant, invisible struggle, the balance between acids and bases. Forget the simple definitions from middle school. Modern chemistry views this as a global economy of protons. According to the Bronsted-Lowry Theory, an acid is a substance that donates a proton, essentially a lone hydrogen ion. A base is a substance that accepts one. When an acid gives up its proton, it becomes what's called a conjugate base, ready to take a proton back. It's a constant exchange. But not all acids are created equal. A strong acid, like the hydrochloric acid in battery acid, is a ruthless donor. Every single molecule breaks apart in water to give away its proton. But a weak acid, like the vinegar in your kitchen, is more hesitant. Only about 1% of its molecules actually ionize. So strength isn't about how much acid you have, but how efficient it is at its job. We measure this power with the pH scale, and it isn't a simple 1 to 14 ladder, it's logarithmic. That means each step represents a 10-fold jump in acidity. A solution with a pH of 4 isn't just a little more acidic than one at pH 5, it's 10 times more acidic. That's why battery acid at pH 1 is 1,000,000 times more acidic than tomato juice at pH 4. When acids and bases finally meet, they neutralize each other, creating harmless salt and water. This balance is critical for life. Our blood must stay at a perfect pH of 7.4. If it shifts even slightly, we die. What saves us? Buffers. These are chemical sponges in our blood that soak up excess acid or base, holding us in that perfect life-sustaining equilibrium. From our DNA to the soil that grows our food, this silent exchange of protons is what makes our world work.